Hey friends, if you encounter the error, cannot type into text input fields in Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. And the first thing is to restart the browser. So just close it and then search for it again and open it. Okay. The second one is to disable hardware acceleration. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings. Search for the word acceleration and then you will have to disable this option, this switch here, and relaunch the browser. The next one is to check for problematic extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extension and click on manage extensions. If you find any problematic extension here, disable it and check if it helps in solving the situation. If yes, then just remove that extension. After this, see if it is with a specific website, then nothing is helping. You can contact the website administrator because the website administrator can also disable text in the input fields, especially for a few users. And lastly, run an SFC scan on the system. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.